South Africa's plastics industry is set for a major invasion from within. A Cape Townian has invented a machine which he believes will remove the need to import plastic products. Makayamani has more.
It is in this small hideout where Lional Linde created his invention. There was plenty of trial and error before the final product was born. He and his colleague George Charles worked from this garage, creating plastic products with a machine with no name. Linde says his new invention works wonders.
Our competitive edge is that we use very cheap molds. It has internal cooling. It can work off 220 volt. It can run products on a 24-hour basis if we need to. So if we replaced imports, we had to identify the imports like erasers and pencil sharpeners and those type of products, not big ones, small ones, but of high value.
Linde says the machine can be operated by just one person. He believes the machine is a boost to the local plastics industry, which he says is in decline. Future customers will be provided with both training and after-sale maintenance.
That man, all he does is he must manufacture the right quality and the right quantity. I then go and I send my people to fetch the finished goods on a weekly basis. We pay the man for what is produced and we give him the next batch of raw materials. There's service, there's a guarantee on parts, and obviously that most important thing is we do the marketing for him.